The forensic team of Sangla Hospital in Denpasar, Bali has released an autopsy report on French national Amokrane Sabet, a former mixed martial arts fighter who was shot dead by police. The autopsy result shows Sabet suffered 24 gunshot wounds and 12 stab wounds. Preliminary conclusion states he died because of the stab wounds on his neck, not from the gunshot wounds. Sabet was shot multiple times by police after he allegedly resisted arrest and stabbed a police officer who was attempting to arrest him. He died after sustaining several bullet wounds and stab wounds. The former fighter had become notorious for violent and unruly behavior in recent years.
Kesimpulan, sebab kematian korban ini adalah luka tusuk pada leher yang mengenai pipa udara yang menimbulkan masuknya darah ke dalam paru-paru dan mengakibatkan gangguan pernapasan, dalam kurung aspirasi darah.